Prime MotorMax.
Welcome to Prime MotorMax. Today we're taking a closer look at the Honda Zoomer X 2026, a scooter that blends bold styling, urban performance, and Honda reliability into a perfect city ride. Striking design and street presence. The 2026 Zoomer X features a futuristic, aggressive design. Sharp body panels, exposed frame elements, and a muscular stance give it a unique identity on city streets. Despite its compact size, it stands out and instantly attracts attention, especially among young riders. Engine and performance. This scooter comes with a refined, fuel-efficient engine that offers smooth acceleration and effortless city commuting. The 2026 update ensures a comfortable ride with low maintenance, making it ideal for daily use while maintaining Honda's trusted reliability. Ride comfort and handling. Zoomer X's lightweight frame and balanced suspension make handling in traffic, tight turns, and quick U-turns easy and confident. Its urban-friendly ergonomics ensure stress-free rides for both short errands and long city commutes. Features and practicality. The 2026 model offers a modern instrument cluster, practical storage space, and durable build quality. Its combination of low running costs and good mileage makes it a smart choice for daily riders looking for style and function. Safety and reliability. Honda has equipped the Zoomer X with a reliable braking system and stable chassis design. Strong components and quality build make it a safe and long-lasting scooter for everyday use. Final verdict. The Honda Zoomer X 2026 is perfect for riders seeking a stylish, reliable, and fun urban scooter. Its bold design, smooth performance, and Honda's trustworthiness make it a standout choice in its segment.